MHE News Network. Thank you for tuning in today to MHE News Network. Today we will cover 5 basic things you will need to survive an outbreak or natural disaster. Survivalists have a rule they use in survival situations. It's called the rule of threes. You can survive 3 minutes without air. You can survive 3 hours without shelter in bad conditions, less for extreme conditions. You can survive 3 days without water. You can survive 3 weeks without food. And that's the rule of threes. And now here goes the 5 things you will need in case of an outbreak or natural disaster. Number 1 is water. You will need water, water storage, and how to decontaminate water. 2 is food. You need food to live. There are lists online, links in description, on foods that have long shelf life. 3 is shelter. You need somewhere to sleep and get away from bad weather. 4 is medicine or medical supplies. The average cut can lead to an infection without proper treatment, like a band-aid or antibiotic ointment. And number 5 is cash on hand, money or tradable items like soap, tobacco, etc. There will be no banks, ATMs, or credit cards to be able to use or access. So have an emergency cash reserve is a must. And that will be all today for MHE News Network. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, comment, share, like.